Hello and welcome to our next lecture from this course on how to do affiliate marketing with email marketing. In the previous lectures we have talked about the importance of building an email list, how to connect this with affiliate marketing and where to find the best offers. And right now what I want to show you is how you can drive traffic to actually build your email list. Now, first things first, I will just use an account of ours as an example so you can see where you have to drive the actual traffic, and we are going to use as an example lead page. Basically what we are using is an email service called AWeber, and inside AWeber you can create different types of lists for maybe you are doing affiliate and email marketing in different niches. But what we are going to do, and this is what I want to show you, for one of our lists we have a sign up form, which is an actual lead page. But it's a sign up form and it is a lead page because it's actually hosted by AWeber. So basically you won't need a separate website or anything like that. If you want to have a lead page with AWeber, you can use one which is hosted by them. A sign up form, it's like a simpler form of a lead page, okay? And this is how our sign up form looks like. This is the one, and I'm just going to show you preview. You can see we have 56 subscribers through this one, a conversion rate of 27%, which is not big, it's not bad as well. It was bigger, but then we drove some not so good traffic to it, and it didn't convert so well into actual subscribers. So let me show you the actual sign up form. It's very simple. This is how it looks like, and actually we have inserted the sign up form into a lead page, and I will show it to you. This is the lead page that we are using. Okay, so this is the actual sign up form, and we have created this lead page. We have results here, okay, how to build a wildly successful affiliate marketing business from scratch. And people, when end up on this page, if they want to learn how to build a wildly successful marketing business from scratch, they just put in their name, email address, they sign up, and then they will appear in our list here, okay, as a new submission. For example, if I would put in the details right now, then we will have here 57 submission. Let me just give you an example. Test, okay, test at jvflow.com, get access now, and you will see that this redirects me. I'm not a robot, okay, and you are going to see that this redirects me automatically to another page, okay, to this page here, which is an actual affiliate marketing page, okay, which promotes an affiliate offer. So it's pretty simple, as you can see. Now let me close this page. So this is what we are using as a lead page or a landing page. And now what types of traffic we can drive to this page? That means what types of traffic we can send to this page were fairly easy. We are in the Make Money Online niche. So one of the places that we can use for traffic is the Warrior Forum, which is the largest forum in the world for Make Money Online. And if you go on the Warrior Forum, if you are going to go in the footer side of the website, you are going to see here that they have an option advertise with us. And if you go in the advertise with us section, you will see that it has 440,000 monthly impressions. And if we are going to scroll down, you are going to see that we have side banner warrior, premium top banner, bottom banner. Okay, and here you can basically see how they look like. Okay, this is the premium top banner, this is the side banner, which I think is the most expensive but probably the most efficient one, and the bottom one comes somewhere around here, obviously. Okay, and basically these guys are charging per 1,000 impressions, right? So what does that mean? For example, usually they only let you for at least 10,000 impressions to buy. For example, if you want to create a banner like this to advertise on Warrior Forum, so the side banner Warrior Forum, you will have to pay $75 and you will get 10,000 impressions. What does that mean? That means basically like 10,000 times the page on which the banner shows it's refreshed. Okay, it doesn't mean unique visitors, it means impressions. So basically a single user can generate up to 3, 4, 5 impressions, maybe even 6 or 7. It depends, right? But let's say an average of 3 impressions, right? So basically the number of unique views, if you buy 10,000 impressions, the number of unique views that you will get for an ad are around let's say 4,000, okay, something like that. And if you have a good click-through rate for your banner, let's say like 3%, a 3% click-through rate from 3,000 people, you will actually get 90 visitors on your page, or maybe even a little bit more, which is not bad. Okay, so let me just calculate that. If you have like 3% conversion rate, 0.03, or 4,000 people, you get 120 unique visitors on your page, on your landing page. And if your landing page converts decently, like 40%, that means you will get around 40 subscribers for $75. Okay, it's not let's say amazing, but it's not low, it's a good result. Okay, and this is something that you can use to build your list, and you know that these people are actually interested in what you have to sell. That means make money online products. Okay, this is just an example. Another way to drive traffic is to use YouTube. Okay, use YouTube and use SEO on YouTube. That means search engine optimization, and it means uploading videos related to keywords to make money online and other things like that. And in the description of your video to put your link. Okay, your link to your landing page, or even on your video. That's an option right now. Okay, and because you will have organic traffic from YouTube here, so people who are actually searching for things like how to make money online, how to start a business online, and other stuff like that, you redirect them. A part of them will actually click on your link and go on your landing page, and this is free traffic. So this is the big advantage to this, is that it's free traffic. Okay, this is another way to generate traffic by using YouTube. And let me just show you a couple of the videos that we have, so you guys can see that this actually works and we get a lot of views. You can see we have 363 subscribers. Let's go to videos and let's see a couple of them. Okay, look at this one, for example, Skillshare review and overview, just free traffic, 5.9k views. Okay, so 6,000 views, which is not bad at all. And if you look at them, a lot of them have a couple of hundred views. Okay, for example, at this one, if you have a link in the description, you can definitely get from 6,000 views, you get like 200 clicks, okay, or 150 clicks or 200. And if you have more videos like that, in time they generate more free targeted traffic. Okay, that's how this works. So if you scroll down, you can see that there are more videos like this here. Not all of them got so many let's say so many views, because that wasn't the actual purpose of this YouTube channel. But as an example for this one, this is what we have tested. Okay, we have done keyword optimization on it and it works. And another way of generating traffic is by using, for example, Facebook ads, but we don't recommend that in the beginning because they can tend to be quite expensive. But you can use, for example, Bing ads. Okay, you know Yahoo. Yahoo also has a search engine which is called Bing, and it's run by Microsoft. Basically, if you are going to search on Google for Bing ads, you are going to be redirected and you will be able to create an account. And this is inside the dashboard of Bing ads. Okay, this is how it looks like. You can create basically ads which will appear in search results for people who are looking for something on Bing, and you can target them by keywords. And when you target them by keywords, people can actually click on your ad and they can be redirected to the landing page. And just to show you as an example, let's check out the campaigns here. And the last campaign that we have tested was opt-in, which is actually for the page that you have seen. Okay, and you set up a bid, a CPC, so how much money you are actually you want to put maximum per click. Okay, so people when click on your ad on keywords. Quality score 6 out of 10, not too bad but not good as well. And this is basically paused. It's a campaign which is paused now. Let's check it out. Check out the actual keywords that we have used. These are the keywords. Okay, and we can see the ad here. This is the ad, how to do affiliate marketing with zero previous experience, learn how to start a wildly successful affiliate marketing business from scratch. So this is what people actually see in a search result on Bing. And if you are going to click on it, this is how it will appear, okay, in the Bing search engine. And if you are going to click on it, it will be redirected to the page that you have seen before. So this is how it works, okay? Now, the other way of also driving traffic, which we find to be very, very effective, is by using solo ads. But we are going to discuss more about solo ads in our next lecture. And we have a couple of people which we are recommending to you to use for solo ads, and also a bigger platform because they get excellent traffic, okay, people who are actually interested and people who already have bought, for example, Make Money Online products, or let's say health related products or weight loss products or stuff like that. So these are people who are already interested, already bought this type of product, so they are ready to buy again. And these are the best type of people that you want on your email list to promote offers to them, okay? There are also a couple of other types of generating traffic that we want to mention. We won't go into details, but we want to mention them. Eventbrite. Okay, the Eventbrite, it's a very cool platform where we can basically create events. And the cool thing about it is that they have organic traffic, and if you create an interesting event, you will get people to sign up for the event. And you can export the list directly into AWeber. They are connected with AWeber, for example. And for example, we have tested this in the past for a different niche, okay, not for the Make Money Online, but for e-commerce in Singapore, okay, online training, start your Amazon e-commerce without a website, Singapore. And if you are going to look, okay, we have 30 tickets sold, and you get access to see these leads, to their emails, telephone numbers, and so on, because obviously they have subscribed and give their permission to use their data for this, okay? And you have access to them. You can then contact them, promote to them anything related to what they have signed up for as an event, and you can connect them directly to AWeber, so you can export them directly there. This is something that we have done in a partnership with a company from that side of the world, and it worked very well. Anyway, it's a good idea for you to test this if you want to. And also another good way of, let's say, collecting email leads is to use Facebook groups, because in Facebook groups right now you can ask questions for new members. And I will show you an example. For example, we have this group here. 342 people want to join this group. And if we are going to check who these people are, you are going to see that some of them have left their email addresses. Crystal Tumala. Okay, please fill in your email address to get our free top online courses. Okay, they have email address. Some will not answer, but some will do. Okay, another email address, another email address. These might not be so effective. I mean, you have to warm up these leads better in order for them to convert, but this is an option. Okay, this is an option that you can use, and it's free traffic, just like Eventbrite. Now, we hope that this was useful. Use these traffic sources to build your email list, and in the next lecture we are going to discuss about solo ads.